Well, I was a university lecturer at Cardiff University for 16 years in the Learn department, which is the adult education, which does part-time degrees. They decided to make nearly 100 of us redundant.
We were all out there protesting, obviously, and Liz was the one who said, we have to do something.
And we came up with this idea. Liz had already done a couple of trips and it was a bit too much for her to do on her own. So she asked me to come on board, which I gladly did.
There was such a need to keep the courses that I'd been running and some of my colleagues, so that's how we came to set up the Classical Education Forum.
Obviously she's very popular and was very popular in the classes. The classes were big classes, and she knew that she had the support not just of some of her tutors, who friends of hers, but the people who attended the classes as well.
Liz's style of getting everyone to go through text, for example, together and read stuff out, it really helps people relax and they get to interact in the breaks with each other and they can extend their knowledge, and someone who's going to, say, a Greek class will then think, oh, I'll try an Anglo-Saxon class because I hear good things about it, and it works out really, really well. We're almost like a big family here, students and staff.
You know, it's Pilates of the mind because it keeps the mind exercised, and people get a real thrill out of being able to translate that inscription, or, you know, if they go away with their family and they've been doing Latin with me on a course and they come back and say, oh, there was this inscription in a church and I was able to tell my grandchildren what it meant. So, you know, it's that kind of satisfaction as well.
And all I can say is, keep it up, Liz. You've done so well.
Well done, Liz. I'm so immensely proud of you and all that you've achieved, and I look forward to achieving even more in the years to come.
It's the students that are the important thing for me. They are the people that get me up in the morning and bring me to work. So I'm very, very delighted indeed to accept the honour. Thank you.